the 1994. Did you hear the vacuum leak? Actually, I started without the intake air hose on, and this is where it's coming from. You hear it right out of this carburetor right here. Hear that hissing sound? And you hear it right here. So I don't know if it's a problem within this area, or if it could be a hose over here or back here. I don't know, but the sound is coming from inside this right here, carburetor. So if anybody can tell me what's wrong, let me know. Here's the IAC. I forgot what that stands for, but controls the airflow. This is the mass airflow. I have that disconnected. IAC. I don't know what to tell. Is this the ERG valve, or is that right there which I replaced already? I don't know what happens if I remove this. So I need to troubleshoot this somehow. I think that's what the problem is, why the car keeps idling up when I go to a stop sign with the air conditioner on, and it'll die. Let me see what if I have the air on right now. I don't have the air on. Put it on. Idle goes down a little bit. It's not bad. But it does stink. Stinks, and actually, I don't know what that is. Anyway, anybody can tell me what's wrong. Maybe I had a hose loose or something. But that's not, I believe it's not supposed to sound like that. Right?